everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. Today we're going to be looking at how to use the automatic parking function in the brand new BMW iX, or I guess you could say just an iDrive 8. Okay, so we are in the 2022 iX. So the first thing we need to do if we're going to try an automatic park is put on our seatbelt. So let me do that first. And the next thing we will do is we're going to go into a parking lot. Give me a sec. I didn't even know this car was off. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to head over into a parking lot, and once we get to this said parking lot, I'm going to press the park assist button. So let me go and show you what button that is. Okay, so this button right here is the park assist button. So as soon as I press it, you will see this view, and it already says that it's searching for a parking spot. So let me drive forward now and let's try to find a spot to park in. So right beside us here, there is one spot. So you'll see that the car is sizing up the spots on the side here. So it's already detected that there's one there. So the first thing I'm going to actually do is I'm going to press start reverse parking. So let me just press that here. So what has happened? It says monitor surroundings and release brake. The car is already in reverse and it's already signaling, and I have the option here to back park or start parking forwards. So let me turn the camera around and show you what's happening. Okay, so I'm gonna take my hands off the wheel and I'm going to press my foot on or take my foot off of the brake pedal. So what I want you guys to see is that now with this AR overlay, it's actually telling me which spot it intends to park in. And the funny thing about this one right now, whoops. Okay, so I accidentally pressed the gas pedal by mistake, or throttle, I guess you can call it an electric car. So it says press brake pedal to start maneuver. So I accidentally canceled it, so I just wanted to show you what happens. You can continue it by pressing the brake. You just got to follow the instructions there. So this is attempting a back park, and I'm not touching the steering wheel whatsoever. It's just doing it all on its own. And here in the picture, it shows us which spot it's trying to back park into, and that all looks like it's good. So there it is. The car's going to now straighten out, it looks like, 'cause it wasn't happy with the angle. So all I'm doing right now is just making sure we don't hit anything, or at least the car's trying to do that. And it gets, wow, it gets really close to that pole there. So now it says parking completed, vehicle secured, and we are now in park. So now I want to try front parking automatically. Okay, so let's try that again, but this time I want the car to automatically front park. And you know what? Maybe we can actually try it over on the left side here. So just drive past the row of cars. Okay, so it's found a couple of spots already. So let's try this out. I'm going to hit start parking forwards. So it's going to say it's that spot there. So it says monitor surroundings, release brake. Okay, let's do that. So the car is going to back up a little bit up until this point. Okay, car put itself into drive, and it shows on the AR display which spot it's trying to automatically front park. Now I'm not sure why we would need this vehicle to automatically front park for us, but it is a new feature here, so I just wanted to show you guys how to do that. Alright, so now I wanted to show you this other button that says start leaving parking space. So let's press that, and it says press brake pedal to start maneuver. So I'm going to press the brake, and let's see what's going on here. So the car is now on its own automatically coming out of the parking spot. And let's see what it's going to do now. Okay, so now it says you're ready to drive by yourself. Interesting. Now another thing I wanted to show you is that if you've got those parking sensors on and you're just driving, so I'm just in a different screen right now, it actually showed up on my heads-up display that it'd like to start reverse parking, so I'm just going to hit the button on the steering wheel here. So I've selected that, and it says press brake pedal to start maneuver, so let me just press the brake, and it's selected a spot to park in, so it's just going to do it all on its own. Previously, you would not see that type of notification in your heads-up display, so that is a new feature for the iX with this automatic parking on iDrive 8, so I just wanted to also share that with you guys. All right. Cool. So now car is in park. It says parking completed, vehicle secured, ready to exit. So that is pretty awesome. All right, so those were the new ways to use the automatic parking system in the new 2022 BMW iX with iDrive 8. So some of the changes there. So now you can have the car automatically back park 90 degree. We didn't get a chance to try the parallel park because I don't really have a scenario to do that here. But some of the new things, so you can have the car cancel the operation and then continue the operation. Before, if you canceled it, it was just done. You can have the car automatically front park into a spot now, which you couldn't do previously. And now the car actually can automatically come out of the parking spot, which before we did not have the function to do that, because we also, I think that only happens if you're gonna back out of the spot. So that function didn't exist before because we didn't have the ability to automatically head into a spot before. So those are some of the changes. I wanted to make a video for you showing you those changes so that those of you who already are lucky enough to have an iX, if you have this feature on your vehicle, I want to make a video for you to at least learn how to use it. So if you like that video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.